Oh, I felt that one. One thing about the Ultra B is that there's a pretty large space underneath the motor that will allow sticks and debris to get up in there on the underside of the motor. If you were going to get caught up on a rock or log or something, that could get to your motor, and then you risk damaging the motor on your bike. So getting a skid plate is your best option to cover the underside of your motor, the underside of your bike, to be able to hit the trails, adventure riding, do some enduro riding, and not worry about getting the bottom of your bike all bashed up. I went with the RaceSpec skid plate, but there are some other options I'll leave in the description of this video that you can check out. Installing the skid plate is super easy to do. If you missed my video in installing the side-by-side skid plate, be sure to check it out up here. I'll link it up there for you. I wanted a plate that was just a slimmer design for the bike. Just clip on the rear mounts, pull the front bolts. Slip that under there. Snap that back in, pop that one in, slide that over there. Then we're just going to line up these holes here and get those started. Then we're going to undo these up here. Could undo these first, that's probably what I should have done. Pop these screws out. These are going to be too short, so you'll use the longer provided screws. Slip this up here, and the plate fits right up into that front bash plate. Kind of seamlessly fits right in here. Then just tighten it all up and you're good to go. Now you can have more peace of mind when you hit logs or rocks on the trail. That motor is safe down there underneath the bike in the crush zone. Hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.